Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a Jupiter Red. Underneath here it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has an illuminated star in the grille. Sports package with the 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. Sports appearance. Black MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of all-season floor mats. 60/40 fold-down rear seats. Cargo cover. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Harman Kardon sound system. Memory seats. Steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, multimedia package with navigation, garage door openers, rear view backup camera, hard keys for the radio, heated seats, dual climate controls, turn wheel for infotainment center. This GLA has 30,277 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, visit us at feldmannimports.com.